Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can remove a Google account from your mobile device. If there's any Google account or a mobile device that you don't know how it got to your phone and you feel like you want to remove it, or there's a Google account that you no longer need, I'll show you guys how you can be able to remove it from your mobile device. It's very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your settings, and you can do that by going over to the settings on your home screen. You can see it right there, or you can scroll from the top of your phone. Now let me scroll from the top of my phone. You can see the settings icon right there at the top right corner. You can also tap on it. So whichever one you want to tap on, just go ahead. So let me tap on these settings on my home screen. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, here's the setting, but before I go forward, let me get to say this. We might be using different phones, so because of that, the settings might be a little bit different. But what you have to know is that they are all the same. They all have similar steps and process. The words you have to be looking for in your settings are Google account, or just account. So that's what you have to be looking out for. So back to base, what you have to do now under the settings is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards now. Then what you have to look for is additional settings. You can see it right there. So let me tap on additional settings. Then the next step you have to take now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll now. You're going to see where you can find accounts. Just like I say, the watchwords you have to be looking out for is account, Google and Google account. So look out for those words. So let me tap on account now and sync. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see Google. You can see it right there. So let me tap on Google. Then what you have to do now is to select the Google account that you want to remove from your mobile device. You can see right here I have just two. So let me tap on the first one to select it. I want to remove the first one. Let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take to remove this Google account is to tap on where you can see more. You can see the more icon. So let me tap on it. You can see we have two options there. Let me tap on remove account. You can see it right there. So let me tap on remove right away. Then the next step now is to tap on remove account, but before I do that, let me get to read what is written there. It says removing this account will delete all of his messages, contacts and other data from this phone. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on remove account. Let me tap on it. Then right now it's asking me now to input my phone password. So let me input my phone password to verify that I'm actually the one removing this account from my phone. This is a verification process. So guys, I've verified myself by inputting my phone password. As you can see, it's removing the Google account. Wow guys, can see the Google account has been removed permanently from my mobile device. You can see now I have just one Google account remaining in my phone. So guys, this is how I can be able to remove a Google account from a mobile device, and I believe it was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload and tutorials like this. Bye.